Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluency Podcast. I'm Leo.
And I'm Hannah. Thanks so much for being here with us today.
If you're listening right now, it probably means you want to improve your English.
Especially your speaking skills.
Exactly. And today, we're going to talk about something very important for English learners.
The topic of today's episode is 5 smart ways to improve your English speaking skills.
These are not complicated methods.
And you don't need expensive courses or to live in another country.
You can do all of these things at home.
Or anywhere, really.
Before we start, we want you to relax.
Yes, don't worry about understanding every single word.
Just listen, enjoy, and let the English flow.
And remember, you can always listen again later.
All right, let's start with the first smart way.
The first smart way to improve your English speaking skills is to speak every day.
This sounds very simple, but it's extremely powerful.
Many students say, I study English, but I don't speak well.
And when we ask them, how often do you speak English?
They usually say, only in class or only sometimes.
Speaking is a skill, and skills need practice.
Just like going to the gym.
If you go once a month, you won't see results.
But if you go a little every day, your body changes.
It's the same with English speaking.
You don't need to speak for 1 hour.
5 or 10 minutes every day is perfect.
You can speak while you're cooking.
While you're walking.
Or even while you're alone at home.
You can describe what you're doing.
For example, now I'm making coffee.
I'm cleaning the house.
Later, I'm going to watch a movie.
This kind of speaking helps your brain activate English.
And it helps you feel more comfortable using your voice in English.
At first, it might feel strange.
Yes, many people feel shy speaking alone.
But that feeling disappears with time.
And the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
The key here is consistency.
Not perfection.
Now let's move to the second smart way.
The second smart way to improve your speaking is to think in English.
This is one of the biggest problems English learners have.
Translating in your head.
You think in your language.
Then you translate.
And then you speak.
This takes time and creates stress.
That's why many people freeze when they speak.
To improve, you need to reduce translation.
Start thinking directly in English.
Not with big sentences.
Start small.
Very small.
Simple thoughts like, I'm tired.
I'm hungry.
I like this song.
These thoughts help train your brain.
Over time, your brain stops translating.
And English becomes more natural.
A good exercise is to name things around you in English.
Chair, table, window, phone.
Or describe what you see.
The sky is blue.
It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day.
This is simple, but very effective.
And remember, thinking in English takes time.
Don't rush it.
Be patient with yourself.
Now let's talk about the third smart way.
The third smart way is to copy native speakers.
This technique is called shadowing.
Shadowing is amazing for pronunciation.
And also for rhythm and intonation. Here's how it works.
You listen to a native speaker.
It can be a podcast, a video, or even a short clip.
You listen to one sentence.
Then you pause.
And you repeat the sentence out loud.
Try to copy how it sounds.
Not just the words.
But the music of the language.
English has a rhythm.
And shadowing helps you feel that rhythm.
At first, it can be difficult.
You might feel slow.
Or uncomfortable.
That's normal.
The important thing is to keep going.
Even 5 minutes of shadowing per day can help a lot.
And over time, your pronunciation improves naturally.
You don't need to think so much about rules.
Your ear learns.
And your mouth follows.
Now, let's move on to the fourth smart way.
The fourth smart way is to stop being afraid of making mistakes.
This is a big one.
Many learners understand English.
But they don't speak.
Because they are afraid.
Afraid of sounding silly.
Afraid of making grammar mistakes.
Afraid of pronunciation errors.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Every fluent speaker made mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
The difference is that they keep speaking.
If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak.
Speaking with mistakes is much better than not speaking at all.
Every mistake teaches you something.
And every conversation makes you stronger.
Confidence comes from action, not from studying more grammar.
So give yourself permission to make mistakes.
It's okay.
You're learning.
And finally, let's talk about the fifth smart way.
The fifth smart way is to learn phrases, not just words.
Many students memorize long lists of words.
But when they speak, they don't know how to use them.
That's because language is made of phrases.
Native speakers think in chunks.
For example, we don't think important alone.
We think it's important to, or that's really important.
These phrases come automatically.
So when you study, focus on expressions.
Write down useful phrases.
Practice saying them out loud.
Use them in your daily speaking practice.
This will help you speak faster.
And more naturally.
And you'll feel more confident.
So today, we talked about 5 smart ways to improve your English speaking skills.
Speaking every day.
Thinking in English.
Copying native speakers.
Not being afraid of mistakes.
And learning phrases instead of single words.
Remember, progress comes from small daily actions.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to keep going.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
This was Fluency Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe.
And share it with someone who's learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.